Next time you walk down like a school hallway or maybe a hospital corridor, just look up.
Yeah, you're probably going to see a pretty standard, double-sided digital clock.
Right. But what if I told you that mundane piece of plastic is actually a critical security hub?
It's wild to think about.
Welcome to this custom deep dive. Today, we're tearing into a massive product page from a company called HDTV Supply, and specifically looking at the Advanced Network Devices IP display clock.
Quite a mouthful, but yeah.
Our mission today is to explore how modern institutional infrastructure hides highly complex technology right in plain sight. So, okay, let's unpack this, because I know calling a ceiling clock a James Bond gadget sounds, well, dramatic.
A bit dramatic. Yeah.
But it's actually entirely accurate. It's designed to completely camouflage its true purpose until the exact second things go wrong.
Right, and what's fascinating here is the integration with Informacast, which for those managing enterprise environments, that's a really heavy-duty mass notification software.
Oh, okay. So this clock acts as a visual endpoint for that whole system.
Exactly. During an emergency, it just drops the whole time-telling act. The display flashes individual red, white, and blue LEDs to signal different crisis conditions.
Wait. I have to push back a little on the design logic here.
Yeah.
So this 10-inch multicolor auto-dimming screen is basically designed to flash police colors during a lockdown.
Pretty much, yeah.
But if there's an active lockdown, why rely on a flashing screen? I mean, wouldn't a loud alarm be the primary trigger?
Well, you'd think so, but in a true crisis, ambient noise and just general panic can completely drown out auditory alarms.
Oh, right.
Visual cues override that chaos. The flashing police colors are engineered to command immediate attention and basically bypass all that auditory masking.
But it does have serious audio capabilities, which really changes how you look at the hardware. It's essentially an industrial smart speaker bolted to the ceiling.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, it's got a hands-free two-way intercom and dual 4-inch speakers that can cover, 600 square feet?
Yeah, up to 600. It's projecting and listening.
Right. My question is, how is it pulling off that level of processing and output without a dedicated electrical circuit?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, it represents a massive shift in IT philosophy. We're talking about merging physical building infrastructure with digital network architecture.
Okay, so it runs on the data network.
Exactly. It runs entirely on PoE or PoE+.
Power over Ethernet.
Right, pulling a maximum of 30 watts.
Right, but wait, just 30 watts powering a multicolor display, an intercom, SAP integration, VoIP data, and dual speakers.
It sounds like a lot.
Yeah, that seems like a massive stretch for a standard network drop.
It does, but it works because modern digital amplifiers and LEDs are just incredibly efficient. They draw minimal power while idle,
I see.
reserving that 30-watt capacity for sudden surges during an actual event. The IT network is literally powering the physical campus security, which eliminates the need for electricians to run high-voltage lines to every single room.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting. This unit weighs 22 pounds.
Which is incredibly heavy for a clock. Super heavy. And that's not just because the casing is bulky. It's because it houses the physical relays required to support external peripherals.
Right, the inputs and outputs.
Yeah, you can plug electronic door locks, motion sensors, and external strobe lights directly into the clock itself.
It basically acts as the central nervous system for that specific zone.
Wow.
And when you realize it's a localized hub that can physically drop a door lock over the network, well, the almost $1,800 price tag makes complete sense.
Right. $1,798.99 to be exact.
Exactly. It's part of a massive commercial AV catalog from HDTV Supply, a company with over 10,000 positive reviews. They specialize in high-end routing gear, like Wolfpack matrix switchers that manage complex audio and video feeds across massive sports complexes. So, this isn't a clock, it's an enterprise AV endpoint that just happens to tell the time.
So what does this all mean? Well, for you, the listener, it completely changes the geography of a room.
It really does. Next time you sit in a waiting room or an auditorium, those digital clocks on the wall aren't just keeping time. They are active, powerful security nodes keeping an eye on the space.
It forces us to rethink our environment entirely. I mean, if a simple ceiling clock is actually a network-powered, door-locking, two-way intercom, what other supposedly dumb infrastructure in the buildings you visit every day is secretly connected, listening, and just waiting to be activated?